Hey, brother teacher here. Are you dealing with dandruff, excess oil, or even a white patch on the top of your scalp, a buildup of some white substance? Well, chances are you have dandruff and maybe an influx or excess sebum. What is sebum? Sebum is the natural oil that is produced by your sebaceous glands, your oil glands, in other words, in your scalp. You have sebaceous glands all over, but we're talking about the scalp right now. So, I have dandruff. I've had dandruff for many years now. Now, dandruff is the result or the byproduct of a few things. Number one, dandruff can be associated with your diet. Dandruff can also be associated or attributed to your hormones being imbalanced. Dandruff and sebum buildup can also be attributed to the environment, chemicals in the air, the shampoos and the conditioners that we use on our heads containing all types of products that are not biologically friendly to us, and they build up on our scalp, to include dirt buildup, a combination of that. So when you have dirt, when you have the soaps that you put on your scalp that are not thoroughly rinsed off, a lot of times you leave that scum, if you will, on your scalp. And one of the things that it does, it has a buildup of sebum, and it becomes very, very difficult to remove ordinarily. So you're going to need a little help. And another thing that it does is it causes potentially dandruff to develop as well, and it causes hair loss because your skin, your scalp, has to breathe. That is why we have pores. You have pores in your scalp as well. You perspire through your pores. Do you not know that once you block your pores, then your hair can't come through the pores? It's going to be hindered. So basically, it's dying at the root before it has an opportunity to sprout through because of the sebum build up. So, what's a man or woman to do, even a child? Well, understand this. Oftentimes, fungus is involved. Fungus is on your scalp. What is a good remedy to rid ourselves of fungus? I'm so glad you asked. Bicarbonate of soda, baking soda. That's one. Apple cider vinegar with the mother, organic apple cider vinegar. That's two. And lemon, fresh organic lemon. Those three things will rid you of fungus on your scalp. So you want to make sure that you take a cup of apple cider vinegar and dilute it with a half a cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and place it on your scalp. You can also add the lemon in with that mixture there and place it on your scalp. How do you get it on your scalp? Put a towel around your neck, get yourself a sponge or even a washcloth. Close your eyes so you don't get it in your eyes, and dab it on your scalp until you have it thoroughly saturated. Leave it on there for about 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it out with cold water, warm water, either one. That's fine. Repeat this process several times a week, and you will see the dandruff and the sebum begin to break up, and you can just comb it out of your scalp. So there's another thing that I left out. It is called silica. I need you, I want you to look it up. Silica also should be used in conjunction with those items that I just mentioned. So you can take the silica and place it on your scalp as well, and it will help to break down also the sebum buildup. And you just scrape it out of your hair with a comb. You're going to have to do it a few times because some places on your scalp it might be a little bit more concentrated than others. So silica, Silica, silica. All right. So if you have any further questions or anything that you want to add, or if you have another subject that you want me to address as it relates to your health and wellness, please let me know in the comment section below. And stay healthy. Stay up. This is Brother Teacher. I'm out.